This is the fourth question. We are going to get this all. After running this, we will get the result. These are the comments we are going to use for getting this is the result. Mute. Random, circular shift, length, size, these all can be done by using these commands. Next question, these are all simple. Next we are going to enter in loops. A equal to 8 while a is greater than 0, display a equal to a minus 2. Here we are going to run. Here a equal to 8, 8 is greater than 0, we are going to get 8 and display 8. A equal to a minus 2, 6, 6 is greater than 0, we are going to get 6. Next a become 4, 6 minus 2, we will display this. A equal to 2, a equal to 0. After that minus 2 is not greater than equal to 0. In this manner we are going to get while loop. Similarly, we are going to take a equal to 0 to 10 numbers and we are adding sum equal to sum plus a. First sum equal to 0. Next a equal to 1, sum will be 1. A equal to 2, sum will be 3. A equal to 4, sum will be 7. A equal to 5, sum will be 12. In this manner, from 0 to 10, all the summation will be happen and the result will get as 55. This is for loop. Next, for loop, nested loop. Here we are going to take n. We are going to take I equal to 1 to 3 and j equal to 1 to 6. Sum as 0. 1 plus 1. For 1, it will enter into 1 and runs up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6. And second, and for 2, it will run, comes to j and run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes to 3. Again it runs from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all the summation will become and get the result as 99. Next function, for and if loop. Here b equal to 2 and we are going to take numbers from 1 to 8. 1 modulo 1 comma 2 is 0. Continue. Modulo 2 comma 2 is 1. In this manner we are going to get the for 1 the modulo value is 1, so it will continue and does not depend. For 2 the modulo is 0, it will display 2. For 3 modulo value is different and 4 modulo value is 0 and display. In this manner 2, 4, 5, 8 up to 8 numbers are displayed and the odd numbers are going to be continue. When the odd number comes, it will continue the loop. Next, I'm going to here for and if loop, it will break up to 11. After 11 it will not work. This loop will not work. M equal to 1 and n equal to 1 to 50 numbers. Up to 11 only it will be continuously multiplied. Sorry, at 11 it will break. So after multiplying all the numbers up to 11, we'll get 36288800 as the result. Next, 6th question. For and if loop, here I am going to take I from 1 to 6. If I is less than 4, display I. We'll get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up to 4, and 5, 6 will not be displayed because they are not less than 4. A equal to 15 and I equal to 1 to 15 numbers. If A is, that means if 15 is divided by I, then it will print if is a factor. Otherwise it will print not a factor. If I equal to 1, it will print is a factor. I equal to 2 is not a factor. 3 is a factor. In this manner it will be going to get the result. Next, C. I am going to give some input C. If it is greater than 0, it will show positive. If it is less than 0, it will show negative. If it is either not greater or not lesser, it will give C is a 0. This is the function we are going to perform. And next one, for and if loop nested. I equal to 0, I am going to take I from 1 to 30 mod I comma 2. If the number I is not multiplied by 2, if 2 is not a factor of I, it will enter into the next loop. If 3 is not factor of I, it will display I. Means the 2 and 3 multiples will not be present in the result. This is the loop. Next, switch loops. I am going to give some input string A, B, C or D. If A or nothing, if in case the input is A, it will display very fat. If the input is B, fat. If the input is C, thin. If the input is very thin, D. Otherwise it will show normal. This is the switch loop. Here the last one, we are going to give some inputs for X 1 or 2. If 1, it will show how. If 2, it will enter to the another loop. In that, if it type 2, it will show. If we give input 2, it will show. It will gives the result who. If we type 3, it will gives the result